make a plate for Thanksgiving that's washable and super cute? We can! Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks again for coming back. All right, so we start with this Dollar Tree plate, and I wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol. Then we have these window clings from Dollar Tree, and this one says Happy Thanksgiving. I know it's a little early, but that's okay. And so we're going to peel it off, and I'm just going to see if it works. Listen, this project has been rent-free in my brain for a little bit, so I'm not sure if it's going to work, but this seems like it's going to fit. So I take some dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and listen, you want to put and this is from experience, okay? I didn't do it with this, and I should have. Super thin layer of dishwasher safe Mod Podge. And I would go as far as to say super thin layer and then let it sit for just a few minutes just so that it gets tacky. It's still movable, but does that make sense? So that it's not super wet. Then we're going to put our window cling on upside down, right? So the right side is facing the plate and the part that you'd put on the glass is facing up. Does that make sense? So then we're going to start moving all of the air bubbles out. So I'm trying to do it and I'm like, gosh, this isn't working. Fantastic. Then I remembered I had this Dollar Tree little silicone brush and that worked like a dream. So you're just going to really press and pull through all of the air bubbles. And if you notice, like I did, that the edges were not adhering to the glass, just go around it again with your brush and your dishwasher safe Mod Podge and make sure you press it down again, but just go all the way. And I'm going from the center out. If there's a better way to do it, I'm sure there is. I don't know it and didn't take the time to figure it out. So you know how I am. Come on, it's fine. Anyway, so just keep going and making sure that you get, and this is the kind of project, yeah, you might have to babysit it just a little bit because you'll every once in a while look and say, oh, there's more bubbles, whatever. Anyways, now I have a dauber and I'm going to use that same dishwasher safe Mod Podge and we're going to go all over the plate, all over the back, just the back, not the front. You want to be able to eat off it, so just the back. And I'm using the dauber because this way you will not see any brush strokes and it'll give the plate such a cool, like textured look. It almost is like I don't even want it. I'm trying to figure out how to say it. It's like a, not speckled, anyways. It's a cool look. It's fine. And you can see through it and it's super pretty, but it also makes it so that you don't see the edges of that window cling so that it makes it a little bit more seamless. So yeah, so I just went all the way around and I went to the very edge all the way around and I let it dry and then I did it again. Then let it dry really well. And are you ready? Look at it. Oh, look at how pretty this is. Stop. I mean, serious? Can you see I hope you can see the texture. Well, anyways, this is on my Hoosier cabinet and this is on my table. Stop it. Isn't that super pretty? I could see treats on this. I mean, come on, right? Anyways, friends, I know I get excited. Thanks so much for watching and I hope this inspires you.